coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. My name is Mitsa Putri and let me introduce our team. For the left set, for the first, he is Mr. Haris Ramadan. For the next is Mrs. Christiana Chandra Dewi. For the next is Ms. Hesti Stianingsih. And for the right set, he is Mr. Adi Hermawan. And the next is Mrs. Ari Suparwati. And in this presentation, we will discuss about culture, communication, and intercultural relationship. Let's start this presentation, and I invite for the first presenter, I invite to Mrs. Ari Suparwati. Mrs. Ari Suparwati, please.
Thank you. Benefit and challenges of intercultural relationship. Benefit. Most people have a variety of intercultural relationships that may feature difference in age, security, ability, gender, ethnicity, class, religion, race, or nationality. The potential reward and opportunity in this relationship are tremendous. Number 2, challenges. Intercultural relationships are unique in several ways, and as such present particular challenges. By definition, they are characterized by cultural difference in communication style, values, and perception. Thank you. For the next presentation will be by Haris.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Ari. And next, I will present thinking theoretically about intercultural relationship. First, personal contextual dialectic. Intercultural relationships are both personal and contextual. There are aspects of the relationship that are personal, consistent from situation to situation, but context also plays a huge role in how intercultural relationships are developed and maintained. Second, different similarity dialectic. According to the similarity principle, we tend to be attracted to people who we perceive to be similar to ourselves. And evidence indicates that this principle works for many cultural groups. Next, third, cultural individual dialectic. Communication, intercultural relationship is both cultural and individual, that is idiosyncratic. We have described various cultural differences that exist in value orientation in both non-verbal and verbal communication. Although we have provided some generalization about how various cultural groups differ, it is important to remember that communication is both cultural and individual. Fourth, privilege dispute dialectic. We have stressed the importance of and the difficulty of understanding power and power differential in intercultural relationship. People may be simultaneously privileged and disfavored, or privileged in some contexts and disfavored in others. Fifth, static dynamic dialectic. This dialectic suggests that people and relationships are consistent play in flux, responding to various personal and contextual dynamic. Intercultural relationships are no different in this regard. And the last, history, past, present, future dialectic. Rather than trying to understand relationship by examining the relational partner alone, it is helpful to consider the context in which relationship occur. Often, this means the historical context. Uh, the next presentation will be present by Hespi.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Harris. And the next, intercultural relationship. There are three communication approaches to study intercultural relationship and each make a unique contribution to our understanding of how we develop and manage relationship across difference. Number one, cross-cultural difference. Number two, communication in cultural relationship. Number three, contextual influence. Cross-cultural difference. The social scale approach identifies cross-cultural difference in relationship, including notion of race and the initiation and development of relationship. Difference in notion of friendship. Friendship are said in very different words around the word in notion of friends are related to indicate about identity and truth. Difference in rational development. Cultural difference often comes into play in the very beginning stage of rational development until intercaste. Many U.S. Americans are known to disclose personal information in very public context. Friendship. Unrelationship development in technical friendship share more personal and private information. Let prospect that the personal private self can be modeled as the context critical concepting the art of information we share with others. The romantic relationship. Some intimate relationship develop into romantic relationship. Go and other have thought about similar and different across cultural. Some of these some to reflect different collectivism. The next presentation will be presented by Ms. Saputri.
In this section, we will learn how people in a relationship with their cultural difference. How do people cope with difference and problems that arise in the relationship? As we have noted, intercultural relationships may be very similar to intercultural relationships. However, there may be some unique characteristics that can guide our thinking about communicating in this relationship. Many relationships between life at work, marriage, and social different and relationship in work, the challenge to get in the workplace is to get along with people who may be very different, and some of the work relationship may turn into friendship. The development of technology makes people able to communicate quickly with anyone. Communicating through the internet is not an extraordinary thing. Intercultural relationship online. Some scholars suggest that online communication can facilitate the development of intercultural relationships because of the filtering on nonverbal cues and the lack of so-called gating. That is, there is no line of sight data information about gender, age, race, or nationality. This presentation will be presented by Ms. Prisciana Chandradeni.
Okay, I will present about intercultural dating.
people that other from different cultural background. Probably for the same reason we form any intercultural relationship. Number two, intercultural permanent relationship. Instead of substantial resistance to intercultural, especially interracial, romantic relationship, increasing number of people are many marrying across racial and ethnic lines, so much so that scholar Maria Pipirut 2001 says we are in the midst of a quiet revolution. Number 3, gay and lesbian relationship. What we know about gay and lesbian relationship is often in contrast to the model of heterosexual relationship. Gay and lesbian relationship may be intracultural and intercultural. Okay, next presentation will be presented by Adi Hermawan.
Okay, thank you, Miss Christiana. Critical approach contextual influence. It is important to consider intercultural relationship in the context in which they emerge, whether the contexts are supportive or whether they discord intercultural relationship. Let's examine several of these contextual influence: family and neighborhood, educational and religious, institutional and historical and political context. Family and neighborhood context. According to Dutt and Baldwin, the first place we learn about communication, adaptability, and receptivity, how to respond to those who are different, and how to respond to new situation is in the family. Did your family encourage you to seek out intercultural relationship? Did your parents have a culturally different set friend? Religious and education context. Institutions like school and cursus can play a good part in promoting or discouraging intercultural friendship. Historical and political context. History is an important context for understanding intercultural interaction and relationship. Many U.S. military service during various wars have returned to the United States with whom they met and married while stationed abroad. And the next, back to moderator.
Thank you, Mr. Adi Hermawan. Okay, after our presenter finishes, there will be question and answer section in this presentation. Before you give question, please specific name and NPM. For the first question,
my name is Anif Ariana, NPM 0027. I question what is the beneficial and challenge between a culture? Thank you.
the next question.
Thank you. My name is Nailona Soanisa, NPM 0224. What are some reasons people might have for not forming intercultural friendship? Thank you.
Next question.
Thank you. My name is Susi Mistyawati, NPM 0027. My question is, why do we tend to be attracted to people we think are similar to ourselves. Thank you.
Okay, we will now discuss. Please wait a minute. Okay, for the first question from Ms. Annie will be answered by Ms. Hesti.
We try to answer the question from Miss Ariana. What is the benefit and challenge between eye culture? Communication like between a culture can give you some aspects. For example, it can efficient the creation of knowledge and perspective. Someone about what to someone who has different culture. The get for making some argument and get skill how to do something new.
Okay, thank you, Miss Hesti.
Okay, for the second question from Nailul Masalisa, I will try to answer. What are some reasons people might have for not forming intercultural friendship? Based on our discussion, because intercultural friendship formation may face challenges that other friendship done. Prior intercultural experience and overcoming language barrier increase the likelihood of intercultural friendship formation. In some cases, previous intercultural experience, like studying abroad in college or living in a diverse place, may motivate someone to pursue intercultural friendship once they are no longer in that context. When friendship cross nationality, it may be necessary to invest more time in common understanding due to language barrier. With sufficient motivation and language skill, communication exchange through self-disclosure can then further relation formation in a fuse of culture on self-disclosure as really uniquely situated in intercultural and interracial friendship from a social penetration perspective.
Okay, thank you, Miss Mimin.
Okay, for the third question will be answered by Mr. Haris Ramadan.
Okay, thank you. I will try to answer the question from Susi. Why do we then to be attracted to people we think are similar to ourselves? Finding people who agree with our belief, confirm our own belief, and provide us with cognitive consistency. If we lack ourselves, we will probably lack others who share our views. In fact, we may explicitly seek partners who hold the same belief and value because of deep spiritual, moral, or religious conviction. In intercultural relationship, in contrast, we might be attracted to a person who are somewhat different from ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Haris, for your answer.
I think the session question and answer is enough, and I think that's all enough. And thank you for your attention. We hope this presentation useful to us, and we sorry if any wrong or other. And thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum